Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all ready for another fun collaboration. It's our first crossover art collaboration, Halloween collaboration with several artists across the globe. It's 18 of us taking part in this event. Guys, please stay tuned. Watch all the artists. If you have already missed yesterday's event, which was the 30th, guys, go ahead and check out their name, the participants' name, in my description box below. You guys can always go ahead and watch at a later time. Remember to watch the videos, guys. You have to watch all the other artists, their videos. You have to watch it all the way to the end, and for you to take part in the scavenger hunt. All right, so there's also a scavenger hunt taking place where you have to identify the time where the artist actually drew a mask or put a picture of a mask in their painting. So you have to look for that. All the detail for this event, for the giveaway, the prize, and the time, the deadline in which you can enter for this will be listed in the description box below, so you guys go ahead and check that out. I do hope you guys are having fun, and I want to give a big shout out to Donna M. She's from Hollywood, California, and you know, she's the one who put this collaboration together. Oh my goodness, Donna, how many collaborations have we done together? You're so amazing. All right, girl, I love you. You know, keep on being who you are. Oh my goodness, you brought all of us together. You know, so many different artists all across the globe. You know, it's a small world. All right, it's a small world. You know, I'm here in Canada and you're there in California, and it's like we're just a phone click away, you know. So you're an amazing person, Donna, and keep on doing what you're doing, and I wish you all the success there is. All right, and to all the other artists that I've just gotten to know, you know, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the support. You know, we're all here to support each other, and you guys are beautiful. Keep doing your beautiful work. You know, we all do our work uniquely in different ways, and you guys are amazing. You guys are talented. Keep believing in yourself and just do you. All right, guys, so thank you again, Donna. To all my viewers and subscribers, I want to mention too that to take part in today's scavenger hunt event, you guys have to subscribe to all the other artists. You know, make sure that you're a subscriber. All right, it's just a small thing that you guys can do for us. You know, we do need all the support that we can get, and I want to say thank you so much for everything that you guys do, for checking out our videos, for watching our videos, for giving us our your thumbs up, just to share a few minutes of your day with us. Thank you. We really do appreciate every single one of you guys. All right, so just go ahead, give us a thumbs up, like, and share the whole thing that works to keep our channel going. Thank you very much. All right, guys, so let's talk about today's painting. All right, so as you can see, I am doing, what am I doing? A skull? But listen, guys, all right, this is a fluid art, and I'm just using a straw, as you can see, to blow the paint across the canvas. All right, and I'm just using two colors. Well, I'm using black as the base, as you can see, and I'm using gray and white as the two colors for today painting. This was actually fun, blowing and molding the shape that I wanted. So this was actually beautiful. I just love you know, how it's working out right now. So Donna wanted us to tell a story, you know, what inspired us about Halloween. You know, what do we love about Halloween? What does Halloween mean to us? Well, guys, let me tell you, okay, I'm Jamaican, okay? And in Jamaica, listen, Donna, and you, the other artists, listen, man, you guys go ask any Jamaican out there, okay? We don't really celebrate Halloween too much back home in Jamaica because it's all about Duppy. You know, we're thinking about Duppy, and Duppy is ghost, right? So it's Duppy, Duppy. So when we think about Halloween, we're thinking about Duppy and all those things, right? But when I migrated to Canada, and now that I have my kids, it's actually since I have my kids that I started celebrating Halloween in terms of trick-or-treating. Okay, so I take my kids trick-or-treating, and that's it. Okay, I don't decorate the house to be honest, but I might put a pumpkin outside, and that's when we carve the pumpkin, and that's it. But it's all about the candy for my kids, all right, and I don't want to take that away from them, because you know what, it's their culture, they're Canadian and all that. So I just wanted to, be a part of their growing up, just to enjoy their childhood, see how they're going out there and do their trick-or-treating. I don't want to take that away from them, right? So Halloween, that's how I look at it for me, okay? And as an adult, it's just going to a costume party, okay? Yes, I just look forward to going out to costume party. I've been doing that for a couple of years now, hanging out with my friends, dressing up as different characters, whatever it might be. And that's just the fun part for us, all right? Just celebrating the good times. So guys, I just do hope you're enjoying the painting. And as you can see, I have put a flower on top of the skull. Guys, I was just going with the flow, all right? You guys know I'm into my Dahlia painting, my spoon swipe Dahlia. So I just wanted to make it interesting. I don't know where this was going. I was just adding some colors. So this is my Princess Dahlia. She's she's a beautiful flower, I guess. She's a beauty. Don't you guys agree? Look at her. She's radiant. She's actually smiling. She's just enjoying the light. This the Dahlia on top of the skull. To me, it represents beauty and so much charm. She's charming. It's beautiful, guys. I'm loving it. I'm just having so much fun. This was a fun piece to actually create, guys. I have to admit, it was really fun to create. I mean, check out her eyes. Her eyes, I mean, it's spooky. Spooky, I know, but you know what, guys? It's just a fun piece to do, and I was just having amazing time doing this piece, I have to admit. So here I am just doing what I wanted was some leaves to complete my flower. But guys, check out what happened. I don't even know what it looks like, if it's a leaf or if it's a wing. I don't know. You guys tell me, all right? What does it look like to you? I just decided to leave it the way it turned out, because I was just going with the flow. Sometimes that's the way art is. You think of one thing, and then when you try to create it, it's something totally different from what you had in your head, right? So I just go with the flow, and I really did enjoy making this piece. I just decided that, you know what, if it looks like leaf or if it looks like wings, I'm okay with it, all right? So I just left it as is. So just let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If it looks like a pair of wings or if it looked like just leaves, what it is. I just decided to leave it as is. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think about it. I use various tools in today's painting. As you can see, I'm using a skewer to draw lines to create the leaf-like look, and I use a spoon to swipe the stem of the flower as well. Right now I'm just using the straw, adding more paint, blowing out some more colors. I just did a lot of tweaking, trying to make the eye a little bit more defined to my liking. I was just tweaking, and I was getting worried, like, oh my goodness, what are you doing? Like, could you just stop now? Like, I was just messing around. Guys, sometimes as artists, we have to learn when to stop. We have to know when to stop, okay? I mean, looking at it now, you guys say, wow, it's beautiful, it's finished, Camille, stop. But I just keep tweaking and messing around, and we all do it, and we're so guilty of that. And guys, we need to stop, okay? We need to know when to stop. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comment section below if you guys agree. You know what, we have to learn when to stop. Let's know when to stop, okay? So that's one of the challenges that I go through, because I am always tweaking to my perfection when the art was probably finished and done and beautiful. That's the way it is. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below if you do agree with that one. So this is actually the dried result, and I'm just adding the eyes, okay, and adding some glitter here. I'll be putting all the names. Sometimes I don't want to pronounce the names because honestly I don't want to say something weird, so I'll be putting the names of the colors that I'm using. The glitter, it's a Artistry glitter. It's all black, but when it dries it has like a bronzish copperish look to it. So all I was doing was adding the copper to the glitter to the eyes, and now I'm using another glitter that when it dries it's like a purple greenish look. Oh guys, I love it. So I was just adding that glitter to the black background just to add some sparks to this painting, I guess, just to make it more Halloweenish. So the purple and the green, you know, it's such a nice Halloween color, don't you guys think? I really love it. Let's check out the close-up of the dried finished result. Wow, wow, wow. I'm loving it. Check her out, guys. Check out my Princess Dahlia. You know, that crown on her head is made of Dahlia. Don't you think it's beautiful, guys? It's amazing. I love it. And I love the shimmer from that sparkler glitter for the background. It's beautiful. The purple, the green, the Dahlia is beautiful. The eyes, guys, see what I'm talking about with the eyes? It dried beautifully. And then I added some white ice sparkle in the middle. It's beautiful, guys. Let me know what you have to say in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.